Good morning, student. Today I am going to start new topic, that is weight of an object on the moon. So already I have explained to you that what is weight. The force of attraction of the earth on an object is known as weight of an object. In other words, we can say that the weight of an object on the earth is the force with which earth attracts the object. In the same way, the weight of an object on the moon is the force with which moon attracts that object. And student, mass of the moon, that is what? 7.36 10 to the power 22 kg. And mass of the earth is what? 5.98 into 10 to the power 24 kg. So mass of the moon is what? Less than the mass of the earth. So moon exerts less force of attraction on the object. And student, now I am going to find the value of weight of an object on the moon. And student, let the mass of the object, let the mass of the object be small m. Let its weight, let its weight on the earth, let its weight on earth be We. Let mass of an earth, let mass of earth be Me, and its radius, in its radius be Re. By using universal law of gravitation, or by applying universal law of gravitation, the weight of the object, the weight of the object on the earth, the weight of the object on the earth, that is We, which is written as G_MEM by Re square. And student, you know that force exerted by earth on the object, and the formula for this you know that is what? F_G_MEM by Re square. And you know that force is what? This force is what? The force of attraction on the object exerted by what? Earth. And this is known as what? Weight. So this, the force of attraction of the earth on the object, this force is known as what? Weight. So the force of attraction of the earth on the object, which is known as what? Weight. So this will be written as We, which is equal to G_MEM by Re square, because we know that the force of attraction of the earth on an object is known as weight of an object. So student, the weight of the object on the earth, We, which is equal to G_MEM by RE square. And student, now putting the value of ME and RE from this data, so WE can be written as G as it is, mass of object as it is, mass of earth, that is what, 5.98 into 10 to the power 24 divided by, that is what, RE square means what, 6.37 into 10 to the power 6 whole square. And student, after solving it we get, that is G into M, and here comes out to be that 1.474 into 10 to the power 11. This is the value of weight of the object on the earth. GM 1.474 into 10 to the power 11 Newton. Similarly, student, when this object is taken to the surface of the moon, so similarly let the weight of same object of mass m, same object, let the weight of same object on the moon be Wm, let mass of moon be, let mass of moon be mm, and its radius means radius of moon, its radius that is what, Rm. So again we use universal law of gravitation applied. So weight of the object on the moon, which is written as, student, that is Wm, same formula as it is, only mass will change. G, mass of moon, mass of object, same object is taken on the surface of the moon from the earth, Gmm by here radius of moon and its whole square. Now student, putting the value of mass of moon, that is what, 7.36 10 to the power 22 kg, and radius of moon, that is what, 1.74 into 10 to the power 6. So and this is equation 1. From putting the value of Gmm as it is, mass of moon, that is what, 7.36 into 10 to the power what, 22 kg, divided by Rm square means what, 1.74 into 10 to the power 6 whole square. And student, after solving this we get, that is 2.431 into 10 to the power 10. This is the weight of object on the moon, and this is equation, that is what, 2. And student, we have to find weight of an object on the moon. So equation 2 divided by 1. So equation 2 divided by equation 1. So we can write Wm by what? We. Equation 2 by equation 1. So equation 2, that is this one. So here 2, that is what? Gm 2.431 into 10 to the power what? 10. And putting the value of We, that is what? Gm 1.474 into 10 to the power 11. This GMs cancel out to student, and we can write this. If this point is taken to be what? One digit right side, so it becomes 14.74. So this 10 to the power 11 becomes 10 to the power 10. So it can be written as 2.431 into 10 to the power 10, and here 14.74 into 10 to the power 10, and this cancel out to student. So we can find that Wm by We comes out to be that 2.431 by 14.74. And student, this denominator, that is what? More than the numerator. So its value comes out to be that, after solving, 0.165, and this Wm by We comes out to be that this 0.165 nearly written as student, nearly this value is written as 1/6. After solving it, it comes out to be that 1/6. So we can write here Wm, that is what? 1/6 We, and this is the what? Weight. Wm is what? Weight of object on moon is equal to 1/6 the weight of object on the earth surface. In word it can be written as weight of the object on the moon, which is equal to 1/6 into weight of the object on the earth. So student, we can say that when any object is taken from earth to moon, its weight is decreases by 1/6 times then weight of that object on the earth. So Wm equal to 1/6 times We. And student, now I am going to solve a numericals which is based on this formula, and NCERT question, and question number 12. Question number 12, student, which is based on this formula, NCERT question. Listen carefully. Question number 12. Gravitational force on the surface of the moon is only 1 by 6 as strong as gravitational force on the earth. You know that I have already derived. What is the weight in newtons of a 10 kg object on the moon and on the earth? And student, mass of object, that is what? 10 kg. G we have taken here 9.8 meter per second square, and we have to find weight of object on the earth and weight of object on the moon in terms of what? Newton. And so what is the formula of weight? So weight, that is what? W equal to m into g. So weight of object on the earth, WE, which is written as what? Mg. Weight of object on the earth, that is what? Mg. Mass of the object, that is what? 10 kg. And value of g, that is what? 9.8. And it comes out to be, that is what? 98 Newton. So weight of object on the earth's surface, that is what? 98. And weight of moon, you know the formula. Weight of moon, that is what? 1 by 6. The weight of object on the what? Earth. And 1 by 6. And weight of object on the earth, that is what? 98. 3 ja 49. And after solving this, we get, that is what? 3 1 ja 3. 3 6 ja 18. 3.33 Newton. So this is the weight of object on the moon, which is 16.33 Newton, and weight of the object on the earth, which is 98 Newton. And using the formula Wm equal to what? 1 by 6 into We. And student, now you must note down the homework. So that is what? Homework. And the question is, listen. First, a body weight, a body weight 120 Newton on the earth, find its weight, on the surface of moon. This is the homework, and you solve this question, and tomorrow up to 5 p.m. you will send your solution through WhatsApp. Thank you.